It's the Chop Shop. You know what it is. Time to weld with Josh the Professional. He's setting up the dials on the welder. And
This is a professional welder. It takes time.
he's got all the tools right there, and he's gonna set this up. Here's your hammer.
Oh, hit the machine?
No.
I think with
The owner will
thin
get
plate
mad.
We're doing. I don't want to do over 13.5.
Got the buzz box,
Yep. It's vibrating.
vibrator too. All you women. He's got the handy dandy with the clutch for all those women that like the power.
All right, we're gonna put this plate in.
Okay, I'm gonna let Josh get to his work. Not gonna bother him. Remember, if it doesn't say the Chop Shop, it's not the real thing. Think about it.
Have a blessed day.